guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. This is a Havana Nights makeup look, and I created it because we're having an event in our company and the theme is Havana Nights. So this is in no way connected with the makeup line by Camilla Cabello. I actually didn't know that she was launching her makeup line, but incidentally, our event has the theme Havana Nights. This serves as my makeup rehearsal for our event, which happens in 2 days from now. So this is what I'm gonna wear, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. I hope you like this makeup tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to click that thumbs up button and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks!
Looking out across nighttime, city winks a sleep sigh. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sigh. Let me out into the nighttime, four walls won't hold me tonight. If this sound is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If we say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If we say why, tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Looking out across the morning, city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out at such a shoulder, I'm dreaming of the street. And we say why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? And we say why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why?